All right. I'll start with Bob Lazar. It strikes me that my impression is that he probably did have some contact with some of the things he describes. I don't believe everything he says because the whole element 115 business is fishy. Um, it would have been easy back then to just pick an element slightly larger than the elements that are known, because it would seem possible. But the problem with element 115 is there's no stable isotopes. So you can't have a sample of element 115. So then he claimed, somebody called him on that, and then he claims that, well, it was stable when it was in their machine. Well, if it's stable when it's in their machine, then how did you measure it? How did you get it out to measure it to tell that it was 115? You're going to have to put it through a mass spectrometer, which means you're going to have to take it out of their machine, put it through a mass spectrometer, in which case the isotope is going to be, they're all unstable. And if it wasn't unstable, then you should know what the isotope is because it won't just be 115, it'll be whatever the actual isotope was. So they should have known what the mass was if they measured it. But that was never. He basically walks, as a physicist, what it appears, he walks a very narrow line of giving you enough information to make it sound like it could be real, but not too much information to be able to prove that it's wrong. Yeah, I would like to see an interesting UFO close up. I want to see one of these things very close. That would be fun. And if there are beings, I would like to see one. Yeah, I'd be excited and scared all at the same time. Yeah, which so would be a mess. I would probably go running toward it. I would probably go running toward it with excitement and being terrified the whole way. Yeah. So, but that's probably what would happen. And then regret it afterwards is because there was radiation or something horrible, right? Um,